Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 68 how to switch between multiple accounts on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go all the way to the iPhone. Go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile. And now to switch between another account, just hold down on your account on the bottom bar. And now we can switch from one account to another. Click your second account. And now we are on the second account. Hold down again, go back to your main account. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.